Welcome to the product demonstration of solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this product we are using step-down transformer, 2 charging circuits or full wave with rectifiers, 12 volts 1 amp battery and transmitter coil, and also using receiver coil. Here we can see receiver coil, and these are the converters, this one and this one, and this one is a DC to AC converter and this one is a AC to DC converter, and also here we can see the solar panel. So I will show you how this battery will be charged through transformer and solar. So first of all I will explain how battery will charge through transformer. So here we can taking this power cable takes 230 volts of AC power supply that will be given to this primary of the transformer, and the secondary of the transformer is connected to bridge rectifier. So it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this bridge rectifier input. So we know that bridge rectifier working, it will convert AC to DC. That DC voltage will be given to this 12 volts battery. It will convert up to 12 volts. Now if I give power supply, so we can see the light indication, which means battery get charging. The same way we can see here solar panel. So the generated solar power will be given to this bridge rectifier. Through bridge rectifier we can charge this battery. So one doubt will be raised in our mind. So solar power generally generate a DC power supply, but again we are giving to the rectifier. Rectifier will convert AC to DC, but we are giving DC power supply. So this rectifier will be work as a polarity corrector and reverse voltage protector. So if we give power supply to this rectifier, then it will send voltage to the battery. So if battery become high potential, then the reverse voltage will be occurred. That reverse voltage will be damaged to this solar panel. So to prevent that damage, we are using this bridge rectifier. So in this bridge rectifier we consistence of diodes. So we know that diode will allows only forward voltage. It doesn't allow reverse voltage. That's why we are using this regulator between solar and battery. And also it is a polarity corrector. If the polarities will be changed or as the same, so it will give correct polarities to this battery. So we can see light indication. If we place in light position, we can see the small light indication, which means battery get charging. So the light will be glow very high when the solar panel is in high light position. Now we will see how wireless charge will be works for this electric vehicle. So if I on the switch through this switch is connected to this battery. So if we want to on the switch, we need to do upside. So if we want to off, just do downside. So now I am on in the power supply, just on. Then here we can see the converter. It converts DC to AC. So this windings will act as a AC current. So this winding having a AC current. If we give DC current, it will be burned. That's why we are converting DC to AC. That AC will be given to this winding. Here we can see another winding. So this is a transmitter coil. Now here we can see the receiving coil. So it will receive the coil through wirelessly with the AC power supply. That AC power supply will be given to this rectifier. We know the rectifier, it converts AC to DC. So it will up to give 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC through 230 ohms we are connecting to this LED. So if a car going near to this winding, so we can see the light indication. So which means it is charging wirelessly. So if it is moved or it is come again nearly, so it will be charged. It will come up to 3 centimeters of a distance. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.